Suppose you had the chance to make money online. I'm going to show you how to make $200 to $1,500 online just by reading the words in this video, and I'll likewise teach you how to do it. Before anything else, today's techniques are entirely cost-free and effective for people all over the world. Secondly, you understand all that you need to know in order to get started on the right path, including all necessary information and a step-by-step strategy, is included so you can start earning right away after watching this video. You're going to find out how much money you could earn and how easy it is. You'll be sorry if you lose this strategy and to lose out this chance. But before that, subscribe to my channel to stay updated whenever I drop a new video about making money online with the simplest and easiest way of earning money. Turn on your post notification to be the first to use the method and earn a good amount of money with these new and easy tutorials. Just before I show you the step-by-step process that I'd like you to look at, because this can demonstrate to you the amount of money you're able to earn. I'm pretty happy just by reading this because this chance will make you a lot of money simply by reading. I'll teach you specifically how it works, and you won't require any prior expertise, technical expertise, or certificates to carry it out. Check this out at $1,000 for 30 minutes or up to 45 minutes, and we simply computed that on the upper end. It's going to take an hour and 45 minutes, and we'll keep trying to make $1,000 on the simplest fix. Therefore, if we divide $1,000 by 4 to 5 minutes, you'll be able to earn $22 every minute for an hour, a total of $1,000 in the present scenario. Consider the possibility of working for 1 hour and earning $1,000. What impact may it have on your life? What are you going to do with those funds? It's a large sum of money. I will show you where, but you have to watch the full video since I'll teach you some strategies and how to join. You may sign up, be approved, and make more cash. That's critical, and I want you to pay full attention to it because many individuals get it wrong and don't make any money as a result, and I don't want that to happen to you. To begin, I'd like everyone to go to voices.com. You'll see they've been highlighted through Microsoft's, Shopify, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Hulu, Cisco, and Los Angeles are just a few examples. There are several large brands and corporations on this page that are unquestionably legitimate. Then they will pay out to customers every day, and we will get all funds through PayPal. There are other alternatives including a check or a direct transfer into your bank account, and they work in different countries. Basically, such websites will send me a slew of assignments from various categories, and I'll tell you which ones will pay the most. You may also select from a number of projects, and I'm going to show you how they appear. So once you've decided on your desired project, they'll send you the script, the templates, the book, and all of the words that you will read word for word. If you're looking for a unique way to express yourself, here is the place to be. You may do it for as little as 20 minutes or as much as an hour. Whatever it is, these platforms have an indefinite amount of work to do. There are several websites available where you can make some jumps but not consistently, and thus you could not be generating any money today since your other job is so limited. Voices.com, on the other hand, offers so many different categories and careers to pick from. You may still select from a range of possibilities. If you only have 5 minutes a day, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes, you have the ability to accomplish it and make all of this money immediately by reading the second. If you don't have a microphone, since everything that you need involves a basic earphone, you are able to use your iPhone, or you can use an Android mobile device to record your voice simply by speaking into your phone, and you don't have to reveal your face or name because they will just use your voice on the audiobooks, TV shows, and movies. They need to hire people like yourself and me to read all of these words and saying it out. We don't even need to come up with anything. All we have to do now is read all of the books and scripts that they provide us. But now, before I show you how this works, give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in making money online, subscribe to my channel. Continue to the end of this video because I'll show you how to sign up, register, and apply for a reading job. So I'll teach you how to sign up, how to get accepted and verified, how to select the best projects that will pay you the most money, and how to apply for different tasks and get paid quickly after seeing this video. So first of all, I'd like you to point your cursor over the sign up button in the top right-hand corner of the page. When you click on it, you'll be presented with two options: find work as a talent or hire talent for your projects. In this situation, we'll look for someone with the ability to read those words. We'll select the second option, and here enter your name, email address, phone number, and username. You may add whatever you like. All you have to do here is accept the terms and conditions and click the proceed button, or use your Google account if you sign up for a free account. Now your dashboard will display a selection of job opportunities. Explainer videos for e-learning with cartoons. After logging in, you may access audiobooks, digital advertising, and video games. There are different categories to pick from. Therefore, I'm going to show you which categories have the most jobs that are highly suitable for any first-time users, and which are operating in various nations such as the United States, India, Nigeria, and the UAE. Right now, they come from all over the world to contribute to this effort. The first genre you should look at is audiobooks. The second category is explainer videos. Will be paying you the second highest amount of money, and the third category is video games. Will give you the third highest amount of money. So I'm going to concentrate on audiobooks, explainer videos, and video games because they're the top 3 categories with the most employment and the most money for the least amount of time invested. So we'll choose audiobooks as an example. It will open another page with some examples of individuals working online from all over the world and making money at voices.com, and they include both men and women from various countries. At this moment, you are viewing the language section, and you can see that they accept individuals from all over the world, including the United Kingdom, North America, and India, who wish to read online. They still want to recruit you. So you can get work no matter where you are. They have worked across English-speaking Africa, as well as in South Africa. You may begin reading right away by going to voices.com. If you want to make more money by reading those scripts and getting paid depending on the hours you work, we'll pick a task that lasts at least 45 minutes so that you get paid $1,000 every time you finish one project. So I'll show you some of the work features that become available after you log in. As you can see, there are several jobs in which you might be involved. Then scroll down. They'll keep updating this page every day, so you can keep signing in and seeing which ones you like. As previously said, audiobooks are the most popular category on voices.com. When you finish those novels, all of the scripts and templates will be sent to you. All you have to do now is read them and record them on your phone, and you will be compensated $1,000. They'll show you who the customer is, how old they are, whether they're male or female, and some of the tasks they require you to complete. They will provide you with the script for free. All you have to do now is read it out loud. You will get compensated if you download their apps from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. This is how it will seem. They will provide you with a script to utilize the option of recording your voice while recording your phone. If you like, you may read them out loud. That's how it manages to keep things so easy. Voices.com is a fantastic place to start. This software is accessible on the Google Play Store and the Apple Software Store. You can grab it for free and start working on it right now. They will show you the client agreements as well as some of the assignments that you may pick from, and there are several job opportunities for those who come from diverse corners of the world. Finally, subscribe to MoneyFlow to stay updated. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in making money online fast and easy. Now watch this video. If you want to make more money from another website by typing words and being paid on daily passes for an amount of $900, then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.